Yes, you read that right. As the title suggests, we've just got an update in the last 5 minutes that anybody who upgrades their existing order for a Hivemapper Dashcam or purchases a new one in this window is going to receive 4,000 honey bonus. But this is only going to last for the next 9 days. So if you want to make the most of this, you need to get involved now. Users that were on the mailing list of Hivemapper and already had purchased one of these cameras would have received this email: 4,000 honey bonus for all upgrades and first time purchases. If you ordered your Hivemapper in December, then the current bonus offered was 2,500. That's now upgraded to 4,000. The shipping is going to start in Q3 of 2024. Now remember, if you ordered in December and you upgrade, then you are going to be at the beginning of this because they're going to fulfill the previous orders before they start shipping out new orders as well. Now what's exciting about this is the value of 4,000 honey. If we go to the price of honey today, which is 20 cents, 4,000 honey is $840. That's at today's price. But if you look at the all-time high of 24 cents and you multiply that by 4,000, that's $960, almost enough for 2 tokens. And remember, you only get that after you map 2,000 kilometers. So take into account how much honey you would earn per kilometer for that 2,000 kilometers. That depends where you are based in the country. The way you find out how much you're going to earn in your area is simply by going to the Explorer and clicking on regions and then find your region. Regions that have 100% progress have a 3 times multiplier, and so you can get an idea of how much you're going to earn per kilometer based on the area that you are in. The higher the area that's covered, the more of a multiplier you'll be in. If you're in an area that has never been traveled to before, so for example these roads here, but you are in an area which is 100% in terms of progress, that's where you're going to get the maximum reward because it's an unmapped road and it's an area which has 100% progress. So you can imagine how much you're going to earn for those 2,000 kilometers plus the bonus on top. Now that changes things a little bit more. If you saw my last video, you'll know that I went in depth around the Hivemapper BEE. I made this PDF, which if you want a copy, I'll put a link in the description completely for free. That goes over Hivemapper BEE and whether you want to get involved or not. It's 100% passive, which means either Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity, means no more manual uploads. It's got better quality, which means that it's even usable in nighttime and it's waterproof. It's got better hardware, and all of this results in better rewards. Now I promised you that if I have a discount code, then I would let you know. Well, the good news is that if you use passive crypto, you won't get a discount on your order. They're not allowing that anymore, but you will receive 75 free honey. Now granted, at today's price that's only $15, but if the price of the honey token does reach higher into the levels that we hope it will, that $75 could go a long way. So if you are looking to upgrade or purchase one, just use the code passive crypto and we both get a bit of a kickback. You receive 75 honey for your order. So the decision you have to make now is, if you ordered in December, you're probably going to start getting shipped around June 2024. Are you willing to hold out, get the extra bonus, and then be in the runnings for an early shipping at Q3 of 2024? Q3 being July, August, and September. So you won't be waiting a super long period of time, right? You've only got 9 days to make your decision, so choose wisely. And as always, you can use the code to get your free tokens. That's it for this video. I just wanted to give you an update on the news coming out of Hivemapper, just so that you have all the information that you need. And if you wanted an in-depth video on Hivemapper BEE, then watch this video here where I go into detail on why the new product has been launched. I'll catch you in the next video.